Cryptocurrency, or sometimes called cryptocurrency or crypto, is any form of currency that exists digitally or virtually and uses cryptography to secure transactions. Cryptocurrencies don't have a central issuing or regulating authority. Instead, they use a decentralized system to record transactions and issue new units. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies. We will talk about two of those in this video, Solana and Hedera Hashgraph. The market of cryptocurrencies has been a constant attraction to traders, individuals, and institutional investors for quite some time. Cryptocurrencies have demonstrated a notably appreciable USD price movement, showcasing tremendous middle to long-term gains. The web is replete with information and advantages of blockchain technology. Indeed, the blockchain industry has immense potential with many advantages, especially in terms of security and speed of data transfer. However, blockchain has its limitations when it comes to meeting accessibility issues. Hedera Hashgraph is a unique enterprise-grade public ledger that uses hashgraph consensus to alternative blockchain consensus mechanisms. Furthermore, Hedera Hashgraph holds the sole patent for the hashgraph technology. The Hedera Hashgraph public ledger is a distributed database. Similar to blockchain networks, Hedera Hashgraph nodes each hold a copy of the ledger which anyone can write to or read from. However, the Hedera Hashgraph public ledger has some key differences in how it reaches consensus across the network. Designed to address concerns about decentralization, the Hedera network separates governance from consensus to provide a compelling substitute for blockchain consensus. The Hedera governance model is based on the initial model used by National Bank Americard, Inc., which later became Visa. The model aims to ensure that the governance structure benefits the network and that no individual member can act in their own interest. The blockchain landscape is continuously evolving. First, Bitcoin introduced the decentralized infrastructure that would pave Ethereum and other programmable smart contract-enabled blockchains. Now, distributed ledger technology has entered its third generation. The Hedera public proof-of-stake network utilizes hashgraph consensus to achieve the highest possible security using asynchronous Byzantine fault tolerance. Not only does this make the Hedera Hashgraph network incredibly robust, but it also allows for super-fast transaction settlement with low fees. Furthermore, transactions on the Hedera network require very little bandwidth compared to many other blockchain-based transactions. On the other hand, Solana is a unique blockchain designed for scaling with global adoption in mind. The Solana white paper was published in November 2017, with the blockchain launching its mainnet beta in March 2020. In April 2020, Solana Foundation was created. Solana Foundation now owns all intellectual property previously owned by Solana Labs as of this date. 167 million SOL tokens were transferred from Solana Labs to Solana Foundation to help advance the adoption of decentralized technologies as a public good during the process. A small number of SOL tokens remain dedicated to Solana Labs for funding operations. The Solana blockchain is the fastest blockchain in the world, processing 50,000 transactions per second. Solana prides itself on its ability to be unbeaten in terms of facilitating the highest transaction volumes. This is achieved by combining novel protocols that interact and transact in a complementary style. Solana Foundation is based in Geneva, Switzerland. The project has a team with previous technical experience from software giants like Apple, Intel, Google, Twitter, and Microsoft. Moreover, Solana has been backed by several large and successful investors, including Foundation Capital, Abstract Ventures, and Multicoin Capital, to name a few. Solana has created a blockchain that is fast, scalable, and secure. Furthermore, this is made possible without the need for any Layer 2 solutions. Also, Solana blockchain is a smart contract compatible, meaning developers can build decentralized applications on Solana. Solana has built a decentralized clock into its own blockchain. Before this, no other blockchain could timestamp transactions. Solana's creator Anatoly Yakovenko achieved this by making the adjustments to the SHA-256 mining algorithm used by Bitcoin. Combined with an optimized proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, Solana makes it possible to process a huge amount of transactions and maintain robust network security. Solana aims to solve the trilemma of security, scalability, and decentralization for businesses to scale with blockchain technology. The project has devised 8 innovative protocols, each working seamlessly to offer a solution to the aforementioned trilemma. Below, we have broken down each of these novel factors that make the Solana blockchain the fastest, most secure, decentralized web-scale blockchain within the industry. HBAR creates an impeccable opportunistic framework wherein other virtual tokens can also be traded. A variety of credit and debit cards are also supported on the HBAR platform, cryptocurrency, and mobile app. Hence, it can be vouched that Hedera Hashgraph is ideal for the development of decentralized applications globally. Founded in 2018 by founders Harman and Baird, Hedera has had a great team of dedicated professionals who are experts in the crypto space. The year 2019 proved phenomenally positive for the HBAR coin. Although the coin slowed a bit in the second half of the year, as per the high volatility sentiment, it picked up a great push due to the IEO it launched, ending the year 2019 with over 150% gains. How it further went on a downward price changes pattern is only due to the courtesy of pandemic that surfaced at the beginning of the year 2020 and remained negative to a specific period before emerging again to attain supremacy and never looking down since then. The technical analysis shows a gradual but steady rise in the trade price of HBAR may not have won it the topmost cryptocurrency award. However, experienced traders have learned to wait and watch for this asset to perform before investing, considering all factors, doing price analysis, and predicting wonders on trend exchange Hedera Hashgraph. The current price of HBAR is around $0.2869 with a market capitalization of $5,194,116,199.84, a circulating supply of 18,092,792,421 HBAR, and a 24-hour trading volume of $92,929,738.22. Considering there are no sudden jolts or a stony path ahead for cryptocurrency markets, Hedera Hashgraph is all set to affirm its strong position as a major attraction among its investor community. The road ahead is full of petals provided the investor confidence keeps booming, resulting in a major push to the price, taking it to cross all barriers, scaling 44 cents. As for Solana, the Solana crypto prices have depreciated owing to general midterm trends based on historical data summary and technical analysis. However, going by the movement, it can be viewed that in the middle of 2020, Solana's price was much higher after July 2020. At that time, the Sol coin price was trading above $1, and then it continued the upside rally till August 2020, when it has marked a new high of the $4 price mark. After that, the price of Sol to USD recorded a flattish trend till the beginning of the last year. Sol currency has garnered a top position in the cryptocurrency market by the technical analysis, historical data, and fundamentals for price predictions. By the end of January 2021, Sol price prediction for the past year reveals the coin had almost reached $4.40. Since then, due to a significant bullish phase, the currency leveled off to a price above $40. The partnerships, project, and alliances push the scalability of the network to multi-million transactions per second. The network is super popular, with numerous projects built on it like NFT, DeFi with abundant supply and top market position. Given the advancements are maintained, we can see Solana price soar to a $260.06 mark, making it possible a new all-time high showing the drastic change. Hence, the Solana price prediction for the previous year turned out to be realistic, which suggested an expected Solana price of $187. Based on the information of the Solana token's current price, crypto experts recommend that most of the technical indicators reflect a bullish scenario. According to Solana Price Prediction 2022, Sol short-term trades are lower than expected but show positive momentum sentiment. The Solana price forecasts of various cryptocurrency experts do not deter Solana token from outperforming the rivals by any means. The Solana market has set higher benchmarks for its prices, and recent developments in decentralized exchanges, NFT marketplaces, yield aggregators, and online games. Hedera Hashgraph and Solana are both a very good investment choice. These two cryptos are leading players in the cryptocurrency space, and both of them have grown so fast. Hence, many crypto market enthusiasts are optimistic about the future price of these two coins. However, investors are still advised to do their own research before investing in tokens. Well, guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments section down below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day today, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.